Welcome back to another video. I'm Clara from Server Factory, and today we will be looking at the newly released Micron 7400 Gen 4 SSDs and how it compares its predecessor, the 7300 Gen 3 SSD. Let's get into it. Micron's previous generation SSDs, the 7300, came in two variants in two different form factors: Pro U.2, Pro M.2, the Max U.2 and the Max M.2. Looking at the specifications, you can clearly see the previous generation PCI read-write speeds with a maximum of 3 GB read and 1.9 GB write speed. Despite the introduction of a new generation of SSD, Micron still recommended their previous generation for high throughput and low latency workloads on a budget. Let's take a look at their all-new 7400 series, which takes advantage of PCIe Gen 4 infrastructure. As you can see, the 7400 series in comparison eclipses the performance of its predecessor and is available in the alternative E1.S form factor. The incorporation of an EDSFF form factor allows for greater enterprise versatility with improved power and cooling options for dense storage solutions. If you watched our previous video on EDSFF form factors, you should know all about it. Make sure to check it out if you haven't already. Capacities for the two generations are very similar, with a range of 400 GB to 7.68 TB option. The 7400 is Micron's first SSD designed for Open Compute Project or OCP deployments to maintain the industry standard and support innovation around the globe. Where the Gen 3 SSD utilized only one NVMe namespace, the Gen 4 7400 supports up to 128 NVMe namespaces to keep each I/O separated and non-interfering. Not only this, but the new drives also support TCG Opal 2.01 and IEEE 1667 brand new standards for protecting data both during transfer and rest. Looking at the aggregate four-corner performance graphs provided by Micron, you can see for yourself the difference in the generations. Despite this, Micron still recommends use of the 7300 in budget applications. In a statement by Micron's corporate vice president, Jeremy Werner, he expresses his excitement to provide a flexible option with the world's broadest portfolio of form factors. He understands the global transition between legacy and flash-optimized systems is in effect and wants to provide a means for business to adjust, boosting performance whilst reducing footprint and energy consumption. The new drives also support TCG Opal 2.01 and IEEE 1667, which are new standards for protecting data while it's in flight and at rest. So, what do you make of Micron's new flagship PCIe Gen 4 SSD? Let us know in the comments. Or if you're interested in getting some for yourself, get in touch with our sales team for free. If you found this video enjoyable or helpful, hit that like button, and whilst you're there, make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.